just after 6, quarter after 20 after 6 in the morning, Monday morning. And yeah, we're right now and gonna try for a coyote. Just Saturday morning I was in on the country there, I think near Ball. Yeah, so we're in this morning into I call it Black River Ridge. Yeah, so going along and see if we can get a coyote, a little bit of coyote call. Hello folks, we just set out about 10 minutes ago. See, I got a collar down there. And the meal's in there, around there Saturday, I heard them bawling, so yeah, so hopefully now we can call one out. I'll get back to you later. Yeah folks, we've been at this now for 20 minutes or so, 20-25 minutes. Just going to give it another few calls and then we're going to move to another spot about a mile and a half away. I'll check back with you later then. Hey folks, we're in this straw here. Built on the other side there, valley. It's been an hour since I moved, I suppose. Come in mall and a half, set up. Getting around 10:30 now. That's Black River Pond in there. And it's going to rain, and it says it's supposed to rain by 12 o'clock. It's in now, it's 10:30 now or something. Soon going to go cook me breakfast. So anyhow, I'm going to give this another little while and soak out the oil right over there again. Anyhow, I'm going to cook me breakfast now and get it once. Yeah. Get back to you later. Little brook there. Get a little bit of water. And there's a cup full. Great spot to put a mink trap. Anyhow, I'll get back to the bike. Over there folks. Yeah, I was in over the hills, in across there, almost to Black River. 3-4 spots coyote on, no luck today. They're in there, but I'll probably try again later on in the week. There's a little bit of rain coming for the day there now, and looks pretty good so far, but look there, don't look so good. Anyway, we're cooking up a bit of breakfast. I got a moose steak marinated with roasted garlic and peppers, a bit of onion, and I thought I had an egg thrown in, but I guess he's on the counter at home. It's alright. Move it out in there now, and we got a little bit of water boiling. Yeah, went down to the river there then, picked up that, and this came out of my pocket. It's soaking wet. They're drying out. Hopefully it'll work. Should be waterproof, but I don't know. Never know. Hey guys, we're going to get this on the go here now. Oh yeah. And we'll get back to you shortly. Oh yeah. Some moose from new steak from Venus's Moose there from last year. And dump in a few of the onions. Oh, look good, eh? Huh? No salt, no pepper today. Just spices there is on there, and that's it. And guys, I'm gonna give this a little cook now. Won't be cooking too long because I like it medium well, probably. And my water's done for me coffee, so I'll have a coffee while I'm waiting. I'll get back to you shortly. Cheers to the Green Cup Club. Ooh yeah, that's tasty this morning. Got a lot of coffee in the woods, eh? Yeah, this here is all starting to do pretty well. A little bit now to be close done. We're gonna have a couple of slices of bread with it. Yeah, not like it. Yeah, get back to you. That's what I like to do after. I put a little bit of water in the frying pan and comes to boil a little. Takes the bread. A little bit of flour there, be a nice little gravy. Awesome. Awesome. Look at the goodness, Bill Gowdy would say. Oh yeah. With moose, you can't, when I'm frying it, don't over fry it. Leave like medium rare or medium well, or it's good, but if you overcook it, tends to get a bit tough on you. And the marinade now, done an awesome job with it. They've been marinating for half a dozen hours, I suppose. Oh yeah. Hey guys. Okay, cheers. Great morning hunting. No coyote, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll get one later on. It's a few around in there, so. And anyhow, I'm gonna sign off there now and eat me breakfast, have me coffee, have me a little bit of gravy there, and yeah, little view of us around. And we're signing off there now, and all the best to yous, and see you on the next one. Welcome to Wallace Vivian's Adventures. Thumbs up, please subscribe.